Hello all, I am Molly Butt from SDJN International College. My class is SYBCom SAM 3 Division A. My subject is Business Administration and today I am going to talk about top 10 courses available after graduation in BCom. The most 5 most uncommon field which do not usually opted by persons or people are: first, actuarial science. This field deals and analysis of this field is done in risk taking fields like bank, insurance, finance, etc. Second, bank probationary officer. This is the first and initial position in the bank and various exams are conducted for this post for private as well as public banks. Third, stockbroker. Stockbroker in this field, buying and selling of stock is necessary. It is done. For stockbroker, knowledge regarding the prices, the fluctuation in stock, the demand of stock supply is to be known. Fourth, entrepreneurship. Talk to town field, as nowadays everyone wish to set up their own business. Fifth, statistics. In statistics, analysis, collecting, interpretation of data is very much necessary. Sixth, MCom, Masters in Commerce. Most common field chosen by everyone after graduation in commerce. This field requires the subject of basic accounting, macroeconomics, and all the basic subjects of BCom. The requirement of this field is anyone can choose the field but have to be graduate from commerce background. Second, chartered accountancy, a most common field again used by everyone. Chartered accountancy is a course of 3 levels: first foundation, second intermediate, and third final course. 3 steps are required to clear these exams. Once you clear this exam, a certification is provided from statutory body that he or she can take care of the subject or the post, like to do final audit, to take care of business transactions, etc. Requirement of CA is a person has work experience with big company for at least 3 years. Third, seventh, CFA, company's financial analyst. This is the international course and the certification of this is provided by America, a most expensive course and hence used by very few people. Eighth, CMA, Chartered Management Analyst. CMA is accounting designation, signifies expertise in final accounting and strategic management. Once again, the requirement of CMA is graduation from commerce background or graduation in BCom. Ninth, ICWA, one level down from chartered accountant. In ICWA also accounting and economics, and these all are basic subjects to be studied. Final 10th, CS, company secretary, a final position or a very important position in a big company. Company secretary has a work to do the administration of company and many more tasks, and very important field choose by everyone. Last, out of 10 topics, I want to choose MBA because I aim to go in bank, and MBA is the field that I'll choose after my graduation. Thank you.